welcome back to my channel, Shanu's World. So guys, today we are going to explore Ithra in Alcover. So let's go. Can you see that beautiful building? So that is Ithra. First we went to Children's Museum. It's so interesting. There are so many games to play. We entered this room and came to know that how Saudi Arabia was formed. As you can see, there are so many stuffs like this. There are building blocks, we can do art, craft, etc. Then we went to second floor, which was made for kids. Then the other 3 floors were library. Then we went to Bahrain Bridge, which is a vast bridge which connects 2 countries, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain.